Hey YouTube, this is my review on a 12 gauge shotgun. Now, I didn't really know much about shotties, but I'm just going to go through basic stuff, so... Okay, so the gun has this... It's not rubber, it's this plasticky... Has this plastic butt paddy. Doesn't really do much, it's hard plastic. The gun is wood, very nice, it's got some grip here, some markings. It has two triggers. This front trigger functions the right side, and this back trigger functions the left side. You cannot pull two triggers at once, so that's safe, that's pretty good, otherwise it'd give you a hell of a freaking kick. And these barrels are side by side. You can see it's got a little bead sight on the end. This is the safety. When it's forward, you can shoot. When it's back, safe, can't shoot. And use this to open up the barrel. Turn it to the right. Barrel opens, barrel's cocked. The gun has just clicked, it's stretched the spring back, it's cocked. And you put your shell in there, close it up, click safety forward, and you can shoot. Safety's on. Okay, I'm gonna do a shooting test in a sec using not these bullets, these shells are target load. I'll show you. They are what is it? They're 12 gauge. But I'm going to be shooting this at this chemical drummy. I'll rest my phone up so you can see me shooting in the chemical drum. Okay, I'll just set my phone up. You can see the chemical drum right there. Okay. I'm going to put it in the left side. Close it up. Safety, put the safety on. Here we go. Was a hit. Go show the damage. There's the drum. Nearly every shot nearly hit it. A couple of them skimmed the side there. There'd have to be at least 100 bullets in that. Okay, turn it over. Most of them went through. Most of them just dented it. You can hear them, there's a fair few in there. Thanks for watching the review on the 12 gauge shotgun. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.